Good morning all, camelbacktrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, June 22nd, and we're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and the SPY. So since we spoke last night, the market has continued doing the same thing, which is getting shorter and shorter. So here we are from the 16th price spike below the 65 level. We've done nothing but drive down in both the overnights and regular trading hours. Market in the short term is definitely getting shorter. If we take out this day's low, the 14th low, I would definitely be down in the daily. The big question is, if we do that, do we finally pick up some new selling? Because all these days would then be underwater. You would have 5 trading days underwater plus, and do they attack this large trend day that we had on the 12th? That's certainly the goal of the sellers. That's what they want to do. Okay? On the flip side, if they can't get going at some point, right now, all these shorts are still getting paid, right? We'll keep making lower lows here on the shorter time frame. So anybody who's been shorting on the way down has been getting paid. So they're still rather comfortable. But at some point, they would love to get a trend day that holds, and more importantly, take out that 14th low and attack the 12th trend day. As far as NQ, same thing basically is what we've been doing in the ES as they look to come possibly down on the daily. The righty, who was down on the daily, came back into balance yesterday. So as far as the game plan, again, you have Powell speaking again this morning at 10. I think it lasted for 3 hours yesterday. Can he possibly say something different today? You wouldn't think so, but but the market doesn't care about that. They're always hanging on every word, every answer to a question and things of that nature. But regardless of that, again, if we gap low, and now we have 75 minutes to go, gaps have not held this year, so we'll see if that's the case. But again, even if the gap doesn't hold, I'd be looking for a short if the gap did fill, and then see what happens at value low from yesterday. As far as a long, right now, our overnight low is getting close to our balance low. So it looks like it's 92.75. Our balance low, well, it's still about $1 away from it. So we'll see if that's going to hold or not. If we get any acceptance below this 83.50 level, it could get very, very exciting, for the lack of a better word, because I think then these heat-seeking algos would start attacking this day from June 12th. So keep that in mind. So that's a short. So again, you could take a long. Now, the overnight low is still $1 away from that balance low. It depends if you want to take that much heat. But that is a possible long. Again, a possible short would be against, for now, overnight halfback and the gap fill and or value low. And then on the chart, so this is what we're talking about. Now, some people might be considering this down already. And again, I have no problem with that. I'm using this data. I'm using the 14th low. We take it out, we're firmly down. Now, the 20-day moving average right now is at 427.51. So that's going to move up a little more this morning. So if we do come out of balance to the downside and attack this day from the 12th, it'll be interesting to see if we do finally run into the 20-day moving average. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.